Welcome Technology Tech. Today I'm going to show you what is Ipsw and how to download this. So adapt to your network browser and type ipsw.me. So link will be in the description. Then enter. Then you will be directly gone to this page. Then open for which do you need your Ipsw? iPhone, iPad, iPod, Apple TV, iTunes, Apple Watch. If which you need that, you need to select. So if it is iPhone, and if it is iPhone X, for which do you need an Ipsw software? This and this you can only download, and which you can upload into your iOS device. So this one, if don't download any of this, because this has been no validity till now, and you can only download this one only. If you could do that, first download, then your will be downloaded to your download history, and you could restore your phone with that software. Then if you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.